Europe. Just the name makes you think of big, beautiful churches, cute little cafes, and a mix of different cultures in tons of cities. It's a place where history comes alive, where every corner has a story to tell, and where art isn't just in museums, but in the streets, the architecture, and even the food. From the romantic allure of Paris to the historic charm of Rome, Europe is a continent that promises adventure and discovery at every turn. It's a dream trip for lots of people, a place full of history, art, and exciting things to do. Imagine wandering through ancient ruins, sipping coffee in a centuries-old cafe, or getting lost in a vibrant market filled with the sounds and smells of different cultures. The diversity of experiences is what makes Europe so enchanting. But what about people who don't have a lot of money? Can you still have an amazing time in Europe without spending too much? The answer is a resounding yes. Europe might seem expensive, but it doesn't have to be. With a little planning and some smart tricks, you can explore this awesome place without going broke. The key is to think differently. Forget fancy hotels and expensive restaurants. Budget travel is all about being flexible, figuring things out, and being open to new things. It's about finding joy in the simple pleasures, like a picnic in a park with a view of the Eiffel Tower, or a walk through a quaint village in the Italian countryside. One of the best ways to save money is by staying in hostels or budget accommodations. These places are not only cheaper but also offer a chance to meet fellow travelers and share experiences. Many hostels even organize free or low-cost activities like walking tours or pub crawls, which can be a great way to explore the city without spending a lot. Another tip is to take advantage of budget airlines and trains. Europe has an extensive network of low-cost carriers and rail services that can get you from one city to another without breaking the bank. And don't forget about buses. They might take a bit longer, but they're often the cheapest way to travel. Food is another area where you can save a lot. Instead of dining at expensive restaurants, try eating like a local. Visit markets, bakeries, and street food stalls. Not only will you save money, but you'll also get to taste authentic local cuisine. And remember, in many European countries, the tap water is safe to drink, so bring a reusable water bottle to save on buying drinks. Trust me, I've done it, and it was one of the best trips ever. The memories I made, the people I met, and the experiences I had were priceless. Budget travel isn't just about saving money, it's about seeing the world in a different way, appreciating the little things, and finding beauty in the unexpected. So, are you ready to make your European dream a reality? With a bit of creativity and a willingness to step out of your comfort zone, you can have an unforgettable adventure without spending a fortune. Whether it's exploring the cobblestone streets of Prague, hiking in the Swiss Alps, or enjoying a sunset on a Greek island, Europe has something for everyone. Budget travel is all about being flexible, figuring things out, and being open to new things. You'll meet local people, have real experiences, and make memories that will last forever. It's about the journey as much as the destination, and the stories you'll have to tell will be worth more than any luxury hotel stay. So pack your bags, grab your map, and get ready for an adventure of a lifetime. Europe on a shoestring budget is not only possible but incredibly rewarding. You'll discover hidden gems, make new friends, and experience the true essence of this diverse and fascinating continent. So are you ready to make your European dream a reality? Let's see how you can do it on just $50 a day. With the right mindset and a bit of planning, your European adventure awaits. Let's see how you can do it on just $50 a day. To have an amazing, affordable European adventure, you gotta plan carefully. It's super important. The first step is to set a realistic budget. Think about how much you can afford to spend on flights, accommodation, food, and activities. This will help you make informed decisions and avoid overspending. Start by looking for places that are easy on the wallet. Research different destinations and compare the cost of living, accommodation, and activities. Some countries are more affordable than others, so choose wisely. Eastern Europe, Portugal, and Spain are great places to get more bang for your buck. These countries offer rich cultural experiences, beautiful landscapes, and delicious food at a fraction of the cost of more popular destinations like France or Italy. Next, check out budget airlines like Ryanair, EasyJet, and Wizz Air. These airlines offer low-cost flights to many European destinations, making it easy to travel between countries without breaking the bank. They have really cheap flights, especially if you sign up for their emails. By subscribing to their newsletters, you can stay updated on the latest deals and promotions, allowing you to book flights at the best prices. Hotels can be pricey, so look for other options. Consider staying in hostels, guest houses, or vacation rentals. These alternatives are often more affordable and can provide a more authentic travel experience. Hostels are awesome for meeting other travelers, and Airbnb has affordable rooms and apartments. Staying in these types of accommodations can also give you the opportunity to connect with locals and learn more about the culture. Remember, being flexible is key. Flexibility with your travel dates and destinations can help you find better deals and avoid peak tourist seasons. This can make your trip more enjoyable and less expensive. Think about traveling in the spring or fall when it's less crowded and things are cheaper. These shoulder seasons offer pleasant weather and fewer tourists, allowing you to explore popular attractions without the crowds. Websites like Skyscanner and Google Flights will be your best friends for finding the best deals on flights and places to stay. Use these tools to compare prices, set up price alerts, and book your travel arrangements at the most affordable rates. With careful planning and a bit of flexibility, you can have an unforgettable European adventure without breaking the bank. Packing light is a must when you're on a budget. Remember, you'll be carrying your stuff everywhere, often on cobblestone streets and public transport. A comfy backpack around 40 liters is perfect. Pack clothes that you can mix and match, like neutral colors and clothes that dry quickly. Layers are important for different weather. Don't forget essentials like a reusable water bottle, a towel that dries fast, and an adapter for different plugs. Leave unnecessary toiletries at home. You can buy them there. Packing light not only saves money on baggage fees, but also gives you more freedom to move around easily. Europe has amazing public transportation that's both easy to use and budget-friendly. Live like a local and hop on buses, trams, and subways. Many cities have tourist passes that give you unlimited rides for a certain amount of time, which is cheaper than buying individual tickets. Walking is free, and a fantastic way to soak in the beauty of European cities. Get lost in small streets, find hidden gems, and experience the real vibe of the place. For longer distances, try rideshare apps like BlaBlaCar, where drivers with extra seats connect with passengers going the same way. Food is a big part of any trip, and Europe is a food lover's paradise. But you can't eat fancy dinners every night on a budget. Don't worry, there are plenty of ways to enjoy delicious food without spending too much. Look for local markets bursting with fresh fruits, veggies, cheese, bread, and local specialties. These are perfect for picnics in beautiful parks. Embrace cooking in your hostel or Airbnb kitchen. You'll save money and get to try cooking with local ingredients. For an authentic taste of local cuisine without the high price, go for lunch specials at restaurants. They're often much cheaper than dinner and give you a taste of the region's food. One of the biggest myths about budget travel is that it limits your experiences. People often think that without spending a lot of money, you can't truly enjoy a destination. But that's far from the truth. In fact, budget travel can open up a world of unique and enriching experiences that you might otherwise overlook. In reality, some of the most memorable adventures are totally free. Imagine wandering through a vibrant city park, capturing the essence of a place through your camera lens, or simply enjoying the local vibe without spending a dime. Europe is full of free things to do, from world-class museums with free admission days to huge parks perfect for relaxing walks. Many cities boast incredible public spaces where you can spend hours just soaking in the beauty and culture. Whether it's a serene park or a bustling square, these places offer a glimpse into the local life. Many cities offer free walking tours, which are a great way to get your bearings, learn about the history and culture, and discover hidden gems. These tours are often led by passionate locals who share fascinating stories and insights that you won't find in any guidebook. Don't underestimate the joy of just wandering around, soaking in the atmosphere, and finding unexpected treasures. Strolling through charming streets, you might stumble upon a quaint cafe, a hidden courtyard, or a lively market brimming with local flavors and crafts. Look for free concerts in parks, attend local festivals, and visit historical landmarks that don't charge an entrance fee. These events and sites offer a deep dive into the local culture and traditions, providing experiences that are both entertaining and educational. Embrace the spontaneity of budget travel, and you'll be amazed at the incredible experiences that come your way. The thrill of discovering new places, meeting new people, and having spontaneous adventures can make your journey truly unforgettable. So, pack your bags, keep an open mind, and get ready to explore the world without breaking the bank. Experiencing a place goes beyond just seeing the tourist spots. It's about immersing yourself in the local culture, connecting with people, and embracing the things that make each place special. Luckily, this doesn't have to cost a fortune. Look for free or cheap cultural events like traditional dance shows, live music in local pubs, and outdoor movies. Many museums and art galleries have discounted admission on certain days or during off-peak hours. Talk to locals, even if it's just a friendly hello or asking for directions. You'll be surprised by how welcoming they are and how much they're willing to share their culture with you. Just observe. People watch in cafes, walk through local neighborhoods, and soak in the rhythm of daily life. Staying online is important these days, even for budget travelers. Thankfully, Europe is full of free Wi-Fi hotspots. Cafes, restaurants, shopping malls, and even public parks often offer free internet. Download useful travel apps like Google Maps for directions, Google Translate for language barriers, and XE Currency for easy currency conversions. These apps will be your best friends, helping you get around, talk to people, and manage your money. Think about getting a local SIM card if you'll be in one country for a while. This will give you internet access on the go so you can stay connected, share your adventures on social media, and research your next stop. Budget travel in Europe is super rewarding, but it's not always easy. Be ready for long travel days, occasional hiccups, and the need to be flexible. Sometimes you'll have to choose affordability over comfort, but the experiences you'll have will be worth it. Embrace the unexpected detours, the chance meetings with other travelers, and the moments that push you out of your comfort zone. These are the experiences that will shape your journey and create lasting memories. Remember, budget travel is about choosing experiences over material things. It's about enjoying the freedom of traveling light, both physically and financially. It's about connecting with local cultures, challenging yourself, and discovering what adventure really means. So, there you have it. A peek into the world of budget travel in Europe. It's a world of endless possibilities where amazing experiences await those who are brave enough to explore on their own terms. Remember, traveling on a budget isn't about going without. It's about deciding what's most important to you and making choices that match your values. With good planning, a sense of adventure, and a willingness to embrace the unexpected, you can have an incredible and affordable European adventure. So, what are you waiting for? Pack your bags, grab your passport, and get ready for a journey you'll never forget. Your European adventure awaits.